We're going to the falls.
Yeah.
You know the falls?
Yeah.
The water is going down.
Oh! Hello neighborhood! Last July 13, after our swimming at Bing Island, we learned that the highway going back to Toronto is in heavy traffic. So the two groups decided to go to Niagara and wait until the traffic subsides. Beach to USA. Yeah. If you go straight, that's the beach to USA. Oh, that one, oh. Want to go to USA now?
Yeah.
But we don't have Canadian passport. Hindi kasi kami nakapasyal dito. Ang ganda pala.
Napunta niyo yung mga park dyan, kuya?
Hindi.
May balitad na bahay dyan?
Biglaan ba? May mura ba dito matutuluyan? Kasi pumunta lang kami dito kasi traffic daw. So para maiwasan namin traffic, magstay muna kami dito.
We're here at Niagara. It's just an accident that we're here.
Yeah.
We didn't plan it, you know.
Take the floor.
So right now, we're walking here. We're going to the falls.
Yeah.
You know the falls?
Yeah.
The water is going down.
Do we have the falls that coming up?
That's upping.
Upping! Let's see that upping falls. Oh! Actually, gabi na.
Punta dito ng medyo malamig ako.
Kaya po kami nandito dahil ito pong isang to ay hindi pa nakakapunta dito. Gusto niya po magkaroon ng profile picture.
Ayoko po.
Kaya lang, hindi kami ready.
Let's show for it.
Choco na happy.
Let's show.
Ayan. The upside down house.
I am Bible that.
Ay, Bible. Nung pumunta kami dito, sobrang winter, 10 degrees. Negative 10. Lumabas lang kami para magpa-picture, tapos pasok na agad kami.
Doon. Sa baba.
Oo, sa baba na. Di ba, kadarating lang namin, hindi naman namin expect na sobrang ganong kalamig. So, di namin alam kung ano yung mga sasot naming winter jackets.
Oh.
So, hindi pa pala enough yung winter jackets na dala ko. Ay, Jared, oh! Bumaba ka dyan! Yeah, look at them.
That's along na yan.
Nasunog po sila. Because they did swimming for today. I've never seen a bunch of people outside Toronto. Good idea to, ah. It's Frankenstein, Jared. Gara, oh.
Nakita niyo na yan sa gabi?
Oo, sa gabi namin nakita.
Bye-bye po ba?
Ay, kita-kita yung puti ng buhok.
Oo, kita-kita.
That's US already. That's US.
They're part of Niagara.
Yeah.
Part of Niagara.
Yeah, this is Canada and that's US.
The Niagara Falls is above
that now.
Ay, mukha kanan. Yung sprinkle ng water. Maabot dito. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's water. Upload ko to. Siguro mga next week. O ano?
Nagpa-vlog
Oh, yeah. House of David TV. Hanapin nyo na lang. House of David TV. House of David. Tapos TV. Hanapin nyo na sa
Shoutout
YouTube.
ka na, brother.
Oh, shout out, shout out.
Shoutout sa mga taga Bulacan dyan. Let's
Yeah.
go! Shoutout sa mga taga FaceTime dyan.
Hintayin nyo na lang, hintayin nyo na lang. Jared.
Mickey Mouse daw eh. Sabi niya, naalala niya yung Hong Kong.